Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2100 code? This code means the throttle actuator control motor circuit is open or not working properly. If you ignore this issue, your engine may not respond properly to throttle input, leading to poor acceleration and limited engine performance. P2100 stands for Throttle Actuator Control Motor Circuit, open. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the electronic throttle control motor is not receiving proper signal or has an open circuit. This system controls the throttle valve electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power limp mode, poor acceleration, unresponsive throttle, and sometimes engine stalling. In some cases, you may also see a warning like reduced engine power on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It contains the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for broken wires or an open circuit in the wiring harness. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup, which can affect its movement. If the circuit is open or the motor is not responding, the throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, clean the throttle body if required, replace the faulty throttle actuator if necessary, clear the code, and perform a proper throttle relearn and road test. Fixing P2100 on time will restore proper throttle response, smooth acceleration, and safe engine operation.